Coleus used to be that colorful plant that we could only grow in the shadows, but now they're making a splash in the full sun. Let's face it, we grow sun Coleus for the lush look the exotic variegated foliage adds to the landscape. Let's look at some Coleus selections that will make an impact in your summer landscape this year. Alabama Sunset, also known as Bellingrath Pink, is a stunning selection. Leaves emerge bright sunny yellow, transitioning to red to pinkish-red. Main Street Wall Street Coleus has excellent branching and a tidy 16-inch growth potential. This plant has a vibrant, rusty orange color that you can take to the bank. Coleosaurus Coleus may be one of my personal summer favorites for years to come. The lush, variegated, multicolored foliage is exotic with the bright burgundy patterns. A Coleus that I think is out of this world is Colorblaze Dark Sky. This selection has almost black, dark purple foliage with small flecks of maroonish purple. The foliage has a soft scalloped edge and a rich velour feel. Wasabi Coleus has neat, sharp edges along with a pungent, bright chartreuse color that is as spicy as its namesake. This plant will hold its color without fading. Make sure these Coleus get at least 6 hours of sun to fully intensify the beautiful colors. You can't go wrong with any of these colorful full sun Coleus selections. I'm horticulturist Gary Bachman, and I'll see you next time on Southern Gardening.